Okay, campeón. It's lunchtime. We're making this video for Daddy because we're trying something new again today. What are we having today? You're correct. Curry. Today we're trying our first curry. Let's see how it goes. Oh, curry's everywhere. Yummy. How does that taste? I'm not sure. It looked like you had like the warm fuzzies inside. Was that good? Let's make sure it's not too hot. No, not too hot. No, that's all right. Curry goes everywhere. That's why we have our dirty pajamas on. Do you like it? Do you like the curry? Let's see. Let's see. Let's give you another bite. Okay, let's try again. Mmm. Delicioso, see? Delicioso. More? More curry for you? Si. Yes, please. More curry. Yummy. Delicious. What's in your curry? What's in your curry? See, organic coconut milk, garlic, chicken, cauliflower. What else? Cumin. Correct. Turmeric. Correct. And what else? Coriander. Correct. Gosh, you're so smart. You're such a little chef. Okay, another bite of our curry. Adios. See you. Adios.